Have you ever wondered what the powerhouse of your cell, the mitochondria, has to do with your brain function? Well, the answer is a lot more than you might think. Mitochondria, those tiny power plants within our cells, are primarily responsible for producing adenosine triphosphate, or ATP, the main energy currency of cells. The brain, an organ that is highly demanding in terms of energy, relies heavily on this ATP for functions such as neurotransmission, synaptic activity, and cellular maintenance. This ATP is generated through a process known as oxidative phosphorylation, which occurs in the inner mitochondrial membrane. It's a complex process that requires a steady supply of oxygen, making the brain one of the biggest consumers of oxygen relative to its size. Mitochondria's role extends beyond just energy production. They also play a vital role in the functioning of neurons, the building blocks of the brain. They are found in high concentrations at synapses, the junctions where neurons communicate. Here, they provide the necessary ATP for the release of neurotransmitters and synaptic activity. But that's not all. Mitochondria also play a crucial role in regulating calcium levels within cells, including neurons. Proper regulation of calcium is essential for neuronal signaling, and mitochondria help maintain this balance by absorbing excess calcium ions. Apart from these functions, mitochondria are also involved in cell survival and apoptosis, a form of programmed cell death. They release signals that can either promote cell survival or trigger apoptosis, processes that are essential for overall brain health. But what happens when things go wrong with our mitochondria? Several neurodegenerative diseases such as Alzheimer's, Parkinson's, and Huntington's disease have been linked to mitochondrial dysfunction. This dysfunction can lead to energy deficits, oxidative stress, and impaired cellular function, contributing to the progression of these diseases. Interestingly, mitochondria have their own DNA, separate from the nuclear DNA we often talk about. Mutations in this mitochondrial DNA can lead to mitochondrial dysfunction, and some neurodegenerative disorders have been associated with these mutations. In essence, the relationship between brain function and mitochondria is much more intricate and vital than one might initially think. Maintaining mitochondrial function is not just important, it's essential for sustaining the energy demands and overall functionality of the brain. So next time you think of your brain, remember the mighty mitochondria, the unsung heroes powering your thoughts, emotions, and actions.